So is my PPT visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last class we are seeing about the series positive clipper, and we are seeing the series negative clipper and shunt positive clipper and shunt negative clipper. So here I may need to explain regarding this KVLs. So how do you are getting these outputs and all. So I'll explain that and I'll move to the remaining clippers. So this diode. So from now onwards I'll be only considering the practical diodes for most of the cases. So this for this diode, this is the anode, this is the cathode, right? So your diode will be in on when VA anode is greater than V cathode, okay? For ideal case, or if we take a practical diode, V anode minus V cathode should be greater than V cut-in voltage, V gamma, or it is around 0.7 volts, or you may consider to be a VD, okay? So you may consider here to be a VD. So if the diode has to be turned on, this V anode minus V cathode should be greater than your diode voltage VD. Okay. Now if the once the diode is in on condition, so let us consider that diode is in on condition for the positive half cycle. For the positive half cycle, what happens? So your cathode voltage is Vi in, which is positive. So Vk is positive, whereas anode voltage is negative. So obviously your diode D1 will be in off condition. So when the diode D1 is off, where V0 is equal to 0. During the negative half cycle, for the negative half cycle, this condition has to be satisfied. So V anode minus V cathode should be greater than V diode has to be satisfied. So for the negative half cycle, this is minus, this is plus, right? So your V anode will be near where is at 0, whereas V cathode is at minus Vin, Vk, and then V anode is at 0. Okay, so 0 minus of minus Vin should be greater than 0.7 volts. So Vin should be greater than 0.7 volts or Vd. So if this condition is satisfied, then your diode will be in on condition. Here only I am considering the magnitude. Okay, in that case, then what happens? V0 will be equal to, so you need to do the KVL equation. So you know the KVL equation. So if we beginning from, I'll begin from here. I'll go through the circuit in the clockwise manner. Okay. So first I have Vi in. So I'll write it Vi in, and then I'm crossing from cathode to anode. So when I'm crossing from anode to cathode, there will be, so always cathode will consider it as a lower voltage. So when I'm moving from cathode to anode, there will be increment in voltage. And then when I'm moving from positive terminal of the output to the negative terminal of the output, it is drop in voltage, that is minus V0 equal to 0. So your V0 will be equal to Vi in plus, that's how you got this. So next we have here also when the diode, so I will write the voltage when the diode is only conducting now. So when the diode is conducting, your Vin, this anode cathode. So this is Vd. Okay. So Vin, when you're moving across the diode from anode, there will be a drop in voltage. That is minus Vd. Here again, we are moving from positive terminal of the output to the negative terminal. I'm taking the KVL in the clockwise manner. So plus Vin minus Vd minus V0 equal to 0. That's why your V0 will be equal to Vin minus V. So all I am applying is your KVL equation. So next for this, when the diode is conducting, when the diode, so this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. When the diode is conducting, what happens? If it's a practical diode, this anode, this cathode, the diode voltage is plus Vd. So V naught will be equal to plus Vd. Okay. If the diode is not conducting, then what happens? This is an open circuit. So this circuit will remain like this. Because current is not flowing, there will not be any drop across this resistor. So your V naught equal to your VIN. So that's how you got these two equations. And then coming to shunt negative clipper, here also, here we have, this is anode, this is cathode. So this will be negative, this will be positive. Okay. So when the diode is conducting, your V naught will be equal to minus Vd. Okay, because both are in parallel. And then if the diode is not conducting, then V naught or V out, V naught equal to VIN. So that's how you're getting these two equations. So next we have a series positive clipper with positive bias voltage. So when we are talking about bias voltage, so we are implying that we are introducing a battery in the circuit. Okay, so it's a series positive clipper. So here also the positive portion of the circuit will be output wave of the input waveform will be chopped off, or it is clipped off. Okay, and we will be getting the remaining waveform in the output. Okay, however, we are introducing additional battery over here. So for the diode to conduct, now I have different conditions. So now this is anode, this is cathode. Okay, so now anode is at, what's the voltage of the anode? So what's the anode voltage? So anode is connected to this battery terminal, right? So what's the VA value? Please tell. Please respond.
VDC minus IR.
No, do not consider that your entire circuit is conducting. I'm just asking about the nodal voltages only. So consider that there is no current. So it is
VDC.
plus VDC. Okay. Now what is VK? VK is at VIN, right? Okay. For this to conduct, what is the requirement? VA minus VK should be greater than your VD. Okay. So it is VDC minus VIN should be greater than your VD. Okay. So then what happens? Your VIN, if you take it to the right hand side and you bring the VD to the left hand side, so it will be VIN less than VDC minus VD. So this the condition should be satisfied if the diode has to be in conduction. Okay. Now let us say that your diode is in conduction mode. So when the diode is conducting, what happens? This is minus, this plus Vd. Okay. So when the diode is conducting, what will be your V naught? So this is V naught, right? So when the diode is conducting, apply the KVL. It will be plus VIN, and then when we are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal, it is rise in voltage. So plus Vd. When we are moving from positive terminal to negative terminal, it is a drop in voltage. So it is minus V naught. So we have completed the loop equal to 0. So it implies V naught should be equal to VIN plus Vd when the diode is conducting or it's in the on condition. If the diode is in off condition, then it's a open circuit. So then it will become, just a minute. in such a case, so if your diode is not conducting, your circuit becomes like this. It's open, and then you are left out with DC, positive voltage. You have R, and this is your V0. So what will be your V0 now? There is no current flowing through the resistor. Okay, so there is no drop in the load resistor. So your V0 will be equal to VDC. Okay, that's what you are getting. V0 is equal to plus VDC. Otherwise, V0 is equal to VIN plus VD. Okay, so whenever your diode is conducting, so you can forget about this half cycle, that kind of division, you can forget about that. So only thing you need to remember that whether diode is conducting, what happens, when the diode is not conducting, what happens. Only these two things you should keep it in mind. Okay, so when the diode is conducting, your V0 is equal to VIN plus VD, and then when the diode is not conducting, V0 is equal to VDC. Okay, those are the only two things you should remember. Some of the online forums, when you're checking, these conditions might be differently given, so you do not worry about that. Some of them might be having some kind of errors might be there. So only thing you need to follow that, always check this basic condition, that V anode minus V cathode should be greater than your cut-in voltage. So cut-in voltage, in some books it will you should check if the diode is in on condition or off condition. That's the only thing. Okay, so let us check for this series positive clipper circuit. I'll show you the simulation diagram. Is my screen visible to you? Is my MATLAB screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So initially I'm considering ideal diode where your VD is equal to 0. Okay. So here I'm keeping the battery. So when this input voltage is less than your battery voltage, then only your diode should be in conduction. Okay. Otherwise should not be in conduction. And then when this is in conduction, what happens? When this diode is in conduction mode, then your output voltage is equal to, when this is in conduction, what will be your output voltage when the diode is conducting? What is your
Vin plus VD.
so across these terminals, simply, so because we are taking ideal diode, your V0 should be equal to your VIN. Okay, if the diode is not, then V0 should be equal to your battery voltage. So let us check that over here. So is this visible now? Please let me know. So what you are seeing over here, for the when, so in this region from 0 to 0.01, so in the positive half cycle side, see that some portion you have your output is following the input. So when your output will be equal to your input, when your output will be equal to your input, please respond.
Diode is not
When the diode is conducting or when the diode is not conducting?
conducting.
When the diode is
Not
conducting.
when the diode is conducting, your equal to your input voltage. So for this small portion, so I'll just zoom it for your sake. Just okay. Please mute. Zoom is- Please mute yourself. మా మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి నాన్న.
ఏ కొమ్మ పెట్టి చెప్పలేదు.
So for this portion, you can see that till this time is equal to 0.6, your voltage is less than 2 volts. Okay, there your voltage, output voltage following the. Okay, so in that case your diode is in conduction mode. Okay, for the remaining portion, so for the remaining portion, so here your voltage equal to 2 volts, not conducting. Please respond. You can unmute and answer. Please respond for this portion. Okay. So when the output voltage is, it means the diode is conducting or not conducting?
Conduct.
Not connecting, sir.
Not conducting, then only your output voltage is equal to your battery voltage. 2 volts. Okay, and after this portion again you can see that your diode is again conducting. Okay, here the portion your output is following the input voltage is equal to 2 volts. Okay, now let us consider a case where you have a, so let us consider the case where we have this here forward voltage 0.7 volts. Okay, so here I will take diode voltage as 0.7 volts. Now let us again redo the simulation. Okay, so again for the condition where your diode is not conducting, your voltage, output voltage will be equal to your battery voltage, which is equal to your 2 volts. However, when the diode is conducting, you can see the change in the negative peak of the output waveform. Can you see this? Is it equal to minus 10?
No, sir.
No, right? So what actually, what's its value? What is its value?
9.3.
Can you see this?
9.3.
Yeah, it is minus 9.3. Okay, so your voltage will be equal to minus 10 plus your VD voltage, which is equal to 0.7 volts. So it is nearly equal to minus 9.3. Okay, so with this, we'll finish this and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so in this circuit, so can you see the sixth circuit? Series positive clipper with positive bias voltage connected in series. So here bias voltage is not in series with a load resistor, but it's in series with the voltage source. Can you see the circuit diagram? Is my circuit diagram visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. So here again the condition. What will be the condition? So when the diode is conducting, what happens? When the diode is conducting, so this is a closed switch. Okay, when the diode is conducting, this will be a closed switch. In that case, you can write the KVL. So I need someone to tell me the KVL equation when the diode is conducting. This is cathode, this is anode. So this will be minus, this will plus, very okay. So someone should tell me the KVL equation. So I will begin from this node, from the ground. Okay, you tell me the KVL equation. Or shall I call random number? 52. 52. Please respond. 52. Please unmute and answer. 52 is not present. Okay, then 48. 48. Roll number 48. Please tell me the KVL equation. Please tell me the KVL equation so that I will write it over here. KVL equation cheppandamma. So I should begin from this. I am going in a clockwise manner. What will be the KVL equation? What's the first element you are coming across? What's the first element you are coming across?
AC voltage source. V naught. Sorry.
So battery, we are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. So
Yes.
V in, then
In
we have
plus
battery voltage V in plus VDC.
VDC.
Yeah. And then we have again moving from negative terminal to the positive terminal across the diode. So it is plus VD, and then you have V naught over here. Minus V naught equal to 0. Okay. You can mute it now self. You can mute. Okay. So your V naught equal to Vi in plus VDC plus VD. Okay. This is the condition you're getting when the diode is conducting. Okay. When the diode is not conducting, it will be open circuit. When the diode is not conducting, this is an open circuit. Okay. So your V naught will be equal to 0. So your V naught equal to 0 when the diode is not conducting. When the diode is conducting, your V naught is equal to Vi in plus VDC plus VD. So we shall go back to the simulation circuit. somehow it has been closed. Okay, so I shall show you the simulation circuit at once. So we shall move on to the next circuits, circuit number 7. Okay, in the circuit number 7, again you have to tell me what happens when the diode is conducting, what happens when the diode is not conducting. This is a series positive clipper with negative bias voltage. The only difference between the circuit number 5 and circuit number 6, circuit number 7 is that instead of plus VD, we are considering a minus VDC. Instead of plus VDC, we are having a minus VDC. Okay. So when the diode is conducting, when the diode is on, what happens? When diode is on, what will be your V0? V0 equal to Vi in
VIN minus VD.
Minus to plus. It is plus. Okay, it is
Plus.
rise in voltage.
Okay.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can directly go with the KVL again. Vi in and then plus VD equal to 0. Okay, so you'll be getting V0 equal to Vi in plus VD. Okay, that's what you're getting over here. And then if the diode is open, if the diode is acting like an open circuit or open switch, then your V0 is equal to minus VDC, because this is the negative terminal, this is the positive terminal, and there is no current because of the open circuit, and there is no drop across your RL. So V0 will be equal to minus VDC. Okay, and then so we'll move on to the next circuit. In this circuit, we have a series positive clipper with negative bias voltage connected in the series. Okay, so earlier we have the negative terminal of the battery connect to the source. Now we have a positive terminal connect to the source. So what will be the effective input voltage here? The effective input voltage will be equal to, so V in effective equal to VIN minus VDC now. Okay, earlier it was VIN plus VDC. Now it will be VIN minus VDC. So now what happens when the diode is conducting? You tell me what happens when the diode is conducting. So when the diode is conducting, this minus terminal, this plus terminal, this VD. Okay, and then if you write the KVL equation, again it will be VIN. Now when I'm moving from positive terminal of battery to negative terminal of the battery,
Minus
so it is minus VDC, and then we are moving from negative terminal of the diode to the positive terminal, that is plus VD, and then this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, so minus V0 equal to 0. So your V0 will be equal to VIN plus VD minus VDC. So diode voltage you're adding, and you have to remove the battery voltage. So that's what you're getting. Okay, when the diode is conducting. When the diode is not conducting, your V0 will be equal to 0, because there is nothing connected across your V0 terminals. So your V0 will be equal to 0 when the diode is not conducting. Okay, so everything else is the same. And then we have series negative clipper with positive bias voltage. We have series negative clipper with positive bias voltage. So earlier we have the positive clipper. In the positive clipper, the positive portion of the waveform has been ripped off, whereas here we are going to cut the negative half cycle. Okay, in the negative portion of the input waveform, we are going to exclude it in the output waveform. Okay, so here we have a positive bias voltage. Okay, because positive bias voltage, we have positive terminal of the battery towards the V0. Okay, so when the diode is conducting, what happens? When the diode is on, if you write the KVL, VIN, this is plus, this minus, because this is anode, this is cathode, this is VD, VIN, and then minus VD, and then minus this entire thing is V0 equal to 0. So when the diode is conducting, your V0 is equal to VIN minus VD. Okay. So V0 equal to VIN minus VD when the diode is conducting. That's what you are seeing here. V0 equal to VIN minus VD. When the diode is not conducting, when the diode is open, then there is no drop across your resistor because current is not flowing. Then your V0 is equal to plus VDC. That's what you are getting. Okay. The series negative clipper with positive bias voltage. Okay. So in the exam, so two types of questions might be asked. So they might be mentioning the specific clipper name, and they may ask you to do the analysis along with the waveforms and the conditions. Otherwise, what can be asked is you may be asked to broadly explain the classify the clippers. So you may give one or two examples. You not write all the 12 different circuit, 12 or for more than 12 circuits are available. So by changing a small thing, something like you are changing the terminal of the diode, or you are interchanging the terminal of the battery, you are getting a new circuit, or you are keeping the battery near the source. Okay, or you are keeping the diode in parallel to your output or in series. Likewise, different configurations are possible. So we have series configuration, we have shunt configuration, and then we have biased configuration, and then we have combination clippers. Okay, and then one more thing can be asked is your numerical problems. A problem can be given to you in which you need to do the solve the problem. Okay, so you will be given a different diode clipper circuits, and some kind of data will be given. So you need to check the condition when the diode is in on, when the diode is in off, and for each and every condition you have to write the output voltage equation. Okay, so and then we have series negative clipper with positive bias voltage connected in series. Okay, so here we have positive voltage is connected in series. So for this diagram, so what will be your KVL when the diode is conducting? When the diode is conducting, your equation will become VIN, this is plus, this is minus, anode and cathode. Okay, so minus VD, and then we are moving from minus terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the battery. So it is rise in voltage plus VDC minus V0 equal to 0. So your V0 will be equal to VIN minus VD plus VDC. Okay, so for VDC it is positive sign, for a VD it is negative sign. Okay, so that's why you're getting V0 equal to VIN plus VDC minus VD when the diode is conducting. When the diode is not conducting, when the diode is not conducting in this particular configuration, you have minus VDC, right? So what will be your output voltage? So because it's not connected, this terminal is not connected, whether you are keeping it here or not, it will not have any impact on the output terminals. So V0 will still be equal to 0. Okay, because if this VDC has been connected to the ground, then it might be parallel to the load, and you can say that V naught equal to VDC. But however, here VDC, the other terminal is open, so you cannot have any impact on the output voltage. So your V naught will remain at 0 volts. Okay. So when diode is not conducting. So if that simulation circuits are open, I'll show them now, each and every simulation. So I have already shown you the fifth simulation, fifth circuit simulation, series positive clipper with positive bias application. Is my MATLAB window visible to you? Is my MATLAB window visible to you?
No, sir.
No. Means not
No,
about
it's
simulation, at least the window. I think it.
Now the MATLAB window
The
is visible.
simulation. It is still loading. For how many of you have installed the MATLAB in your systems? So do not worry, it is not compulsory. But still, if you have chance, like if you have a laptop provision, an internet provision, you better download the software and try it with your own hands. So this is a series positive clipper with a positive bias voltage connected in series. So I have connected 2 volts battery in series with the source voltage. Okay, this is a positive bias voltage. So it's a positive bias because we are increasing the input voltage by 2 volts. Okay, so initially I'll be considering it as forward voltage as 0, and then I'll run the circuit. So is my Simulink visible to you? Please respond. Is my Simulink? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how do you get this output? So what we have seen in the here. So when the diode is not conducting, your output is equal to 0, right? So this portion, this entire portion, a diode is not conducting, and when the diode is conducting, you are getting the output voltage, which is equal to your input voltage and minus the battery voltage. Your input voltage plus the battery voltage. You can see that what's output voltage you're getting when the diode is conducting? VIN plus VDC plus VD, right? Can you see this? So because we have taken VD as 0, so it will be VIN plus VD. So what will be the maximum negative peak voltage we are observing in the output? Can you see this? It is minus 8 volts. Can you see that it is minus 8 volts, not equal to minus 10 like in input? What's the input
Yes,
peak
sir.
voltage? Negative peak, it is minus 10. Whereas in the output, you can see that it is only, what's the negative peak voltage in the output voltage? The output
minus 8.
minus 8.
sir.
So that minus 8 is equal to your input voltage minus 10 plus battery voltage 2. So minus 10 plus 2 equal to 8 volts. So here we are not considered the diode voltage. If you have considered the diode voltage, even the diode voltage will be added. So minus 8 plus 0.7. So what is minus 8 plus 0.7? it will be around some minus 7.3. Okay, so it will further decrease. The magnitude will further decrease. So let us check if it is decreasing or not. So here now I'll be taking diode voltage as 0.7 volts. Okay, and then I will rerun this simulation. Now you can see that the diode voltage has decreased below the -8 region. The decrease is nothing but your decrease due to the diode forward drop. Okay, so this negative peak is around now minus 7.3 volts. Okay, can you see this, that your negative peak is not at -8 now? Can you observe that? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have covered the series positive clipper with positive bias voltage connected series. So next circuit is series positive clipper with negative bias voltage. Series positive clipper with negative bias voltage. So it's a 7th circuit, series positive clipper circuit with negative bias voltage. So we are giving the negative terminal over here instead of positive terminal at the top. We are giving the negative bias. Okay, so initially we were considering forward voltage as 0. So what we when the diode we should get Vin is equal to, when diode is conducting, your output should be equal to, what should be your output? Output should be equal to Vin plus Vd. When the diode is not conducting, your V0 should be equal to minus Vdc. Okay, so when the diode is not conducting, your voltage should be, in our case, should be equal to minus 2 volts. So let us check if it is working or not. So can you see the output voltage? So what is the voltage, the maximum voltage you are observing in the output voltage? What's the maximum value you are seeing? I'm not asking about the negative peak, I'm asking about the maximum value. You're saying, is it 0 or -2? Please respond. Please respond. What's the voltage you are seeing on the screen? What is the
-2.
maximum volt? -2.
Minus 10, sir.
Okay. I'm not asking about the negative peak. Okay, I'm asking about this flat voltage. So when the
Minus-
diode is not, so when the diode is not conducting, then your voltage is equal to your negative voltage of your battery. So it is -2 volts. Okay. So for the first period, so for the initial stage, so here your diode is not conducting, whereas here your diode is conducting. Okay, when the diode is conducting, your output voltage is equal to input voltage plus diode voltage, right? So here I've got the voltage as minus 10 volts. So okay, so in case if I take the diode voltage as a practical diode as 0.7 volts, what will be the negative peak value? If
Minus 9.3, sir.
so minus 9.3, so it should be less than -10. So let us check that by replacing it as 0.7. So replacing that value, now can you see that your value is not equal to -10, it is slightly less than your -10. So it is around minus 9.3. So here you are adding your diode voltage. Okay, can you see that? Please respond. can you observe that your diode voltage is not, negative peak is not at -10. Okay, it is slightly less than your -10, so which is because of the addition of your diode voltage. So next circuit we have is series positive clipper with negative bias voltage connected in series. Okay, so let us check this. Series positive clipper with negative bias voltage. Series, okay. So here is your circuit say yes, right? And now if we try this simulation, what should be the value I should get when the diode is conducting? When the diode is conducting, your output voltage should be equal to Vi in minus VDC plus VD. Okay, when the diode is not conducting, your output voltage should be equal to 0. So let us check that. So initially your diode voltage is 0, I've taken. So here when the diode is conducting, your voltage should be equal to your -10 and then -2. So you should go until -12 volts. So let us check if it's working. So these are all positive clippers, that's why I'm considering about this negative voltage alone. So can you see that what is the negative peak you are seeing in the output voltage? Is it -10 or something else? Negative peak. -12.
-12.
So because here we have added with the V0, V in, we are adding the battery voltage also. So V0 is equal to Vi in plus VDC plus VD. Okay. Sorry, VIN minus VDC plus VD. Okay. So, and you can see that this is the period when the diode is conducting. This sinusoidal voltage is the period when the diode is conducting. When the diode is not conducting, your voltage is equal to 0. You can see that when the diode is not conducting, your voltage is at 0 volts. Can you see this? Output voltage equal to 0. A flat curve is there. Can you observe that? Please respond. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this what 8th one, and then ninth circuit is a simple series negative clipper with positive bias voltage. This is series positive clipper with negative bias. Positive clipper with negative bias. So our series negative with positive bias. So the negative clipper. So in the negative clipper, your negative portion of the curve is been will be trimmed down. So earlier we were using positive clippers, so we were more focused about the negative waveform in the output voltage. Now we'll be focusing more on the positive waveform in the output voltage. Okay, series negative. Series negative with positive bias. So this is your circuit. So when the diode is conducting, when the diode is conducting, what happens? Your output voltage will be equal to V in minus VD. Okay, so when the diode is not conducting, your V0 is equal to your VDC. Okay, so initially I'm considering it as 0. So instead of 0, I'll keep it as 0.7. Okay, so I'll run this circuit. So can you see that this is a negative clipper? So you that you are not seeing any negative portion of the output. Only the positive portion of the output you are seeing. So these are the positive waveforms. Now you have cut down the negative waveforms. Okay, and now you are seeing that what is the minimum voltage of your output waveform? What's the minimum voltage you are seeing? Is it 0?
2 volts, sir.
2 volts.
No, sir.
So it's a battery voltage. So when the diode is not conducting, then the output voltage is equal to your battery voltage, which is equal to plus 2 volts. Okay. So we have removed the portion of the waveform below the 2 volts. So we have cut down the voltage waveform. Okay. And then for the remaining things, your voltage exactly the same. And then you can see the maximum value or the peak value. What's the peak value? Is it equal to 10 volts?
9.3.
9.3, sir.
Because it is V0 is equal to Vi in minus Vd when the diode is in conduction mode. Okay, so it is 9.3. And then finally I'll show you the 10th circuit. I do not know whether I created this one or not. So I don't think I have created this. So here what happens is it's a series negative clipper with positive voltage current in series. So let me check if it's available. If not, I will do it and share it later. So in the next class, we'll be discussing about the combination clippers. So where you have a combination of your both the positive clipper and the negative clippers. Okay. So negative clipper, I think I have not done it. Okay. So leave it here. So with this, I'll end the class. In the next class, we'll be discussing about the combination clipper. In the combination clipper, some portion of the positive half cycle will be cut down and some portion of the negative half cycle will also be trimmed down. So till now we have seen three types of clippers. We have seen the series clippers, we have seen the shunt clippers, and we have seen the biased clippers. Okay, now we shall see the combination of your clippers, both the positive and negative clippers. Okay, with this I'll end the class. So before leaving, we'll take that in